Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking laundry centers today. We have a GE electric version, and in the event that your dryer is not turning on, we are going to show you a quick DIY-friendly reset that will hopefully reconfigure your system. Let's take a look. We have made our way to our laundry center, and in our case, it is a GE model, and let's direct our attention to the dryer on top. And again, in the event that your dryer is not turning on, let's perform a friendly DIY system reset. And coming to the selector panel, on the left hand side is all of the washer settings, and on the right hand side is the selector knob and all of the settings for the dryer and cycle. And again, in the event that you are pushing start and there is absolutely nothing taking place, no power, no nothing, no clicking, again, we are going to perform a system reset. Let's come over to the power cord and just ensure that it's plugged in, and not only plugged in, but pressed all the way flush with the outlet. And if it is, we are going to ever so carefully pull the power cord out. DIYers, this is a high voltage connection. Be careful as you pull it out. I recommend pulling it out in an even manner. And there it is. Check the overall condition of the electrical leads. Ensure that there is no rust, no moisture, no corrosion. And overall, that looks pretty good. I'm going to bring that down and carefully set that in a way where it's not going to fall and smack the floor or get trapped behind the laundry center, making it difficult to pull it back up and reconnect it. We are going to leave this disconnected or unplugged for 5 minutes. We're back with you. It has been 5 minutes. It is now time to carefully plug the power cord back into the outlet. And just as important, when you unplug it, make sure you plug it in a safe manner. Align the prongs and push it in as straight as possible. And you want this electrical connection or power block pushed in and mating flush with the outlet. You do not want any gaps in between. Next, coming down, and in our case, our wash light is illuminated. And there is no light to be illuminated on the dryer side where the selector knob and setting or cycle info is. Nothing currently in the washing machine, and nothing currently inside the dryer. And because of that, we are only going to turn the dryer on just to test it to ensure it works, and then we are going to immediately turn it off. We are going to rotate the selector knob and press start. And as you can hear and see, our dryer is up and running. And I will open up the door and bring the selector knob back to off. And again, nothing inside here. The dryer has stopped. Close the door. And the wash light's still illuminated. That's fine. And DIYers, hopefully that procedure or system reset gets your dryer reconfigured and working. In the event that it does not, down below in the comments and description, there will be a second reset procedure. We are going to keep that plugged in and perform a procedure at your household circuit breaker panel. So again, if this does not work, definitely check out that link. It's down below in the comments and description. If that doesn't work, inside here or removing that panel, we have a control board, and down below in the comments and description will be a link on how to properly and safely replace that. But hopefully you don't have to, because a reset procedure will hopefully work. But if it doesn't, we've got you covered. We will show you how to replace that control board. DIYers, we hope this helps. In the event also, if that doesn't work, it's possible that your selector panel, there is an electrical connection on the back side here and here. You might just want to remove this and inspect that. And we will have a link down below as well for that. We hope this helps. Do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Taking a step back, and before we wrap the video up, DIYers, in the event that you have replaced parts or you have owned the laundry center for many years and you've gotten to a point where you know what, it's just time to replace it, check out the link down below in the comments and description. We will show you how to properly prepare your laundry center for pickup. And there's a right way to do that, there's a wrong way to do that. And anytime you purchase a new washing machine or appliance and you pay for the pickup, there are specific guidelines on how to prepare your appliance for pickup. And we will show you that. In addition, we will install a brand new pad that will catch water. And this one is 29 by 33. And we'll have a link down below where to purchase that. And that will go directly on the very bottom of that. And we will install that here shortly.